guys, Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing another big listing in Madison Estates, 49289 Constitution Drive. Come on in. The interior custom features include ceramic wood tile floors, large baseboard, quartz countertops with waterfall edge, stainless steel appliances, custom window treatments, light fixtures throughout, and to top it off, you have stacked stone features throughout the house as well. Welcome to the backyard. Number one, you have pavers throughout, grass and ficus around, outdoor barbecue, double TVs, Pebble Tech pool and spa, mountain views, and a custom fire pit behind me. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at Madison Estates, 49289 Constitution Drive. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties.